If you're experiencing subscription errors on AppFolio, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that your payment details are up to date. Log into your AppFolio account, navigate to the billing section, and verify that your credit card information is correct and not expired. Step 2. Review subscription status. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause errors. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and log back into AppFolio to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Contact AppFolio support. If the problem continues, reach out to AppFolio's customer support. Provide them with details about the error message you're receiving and any steps you've already taken. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, monitor your email for a response. They may provide specific instructions or updates regarding your subscription issue. Be sure to follow their guidance closely. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any subscription errors on AppFolio efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.